Alright, welcome back for another video, guys. This is Chris. We got number 3 with us today. This is Anna. She's 4 years old, but she's my number 3. Number 3 kid. Not number 3 in my heart, just my number 3 kid. Anyway, we're going to Lowe's. We got to get a few things. A couple of honey-do list items we got to get fixed. Got an issue with one of our upstairs toilet. Yeah, we'll go fishing later. We got an issue with our upstairs toilet though. And we got to fix our garage door. The main garage door, one of the springs broke. So we got to fix that. And we got an issue with the upstairs toilet. So, always something, you know. So, let's go get after it. Everywhere a nay, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ooh, Halloween. Ooh, spooky.
There's the door things. Hello. There's the door on it. Hello.
What it is the fill valve is just making just a terrible noise. I'll show y'all here later on when we get home, but I think I'm gonna go with this Korky. I just replaced the flapper on this toilet about 2 months ago, so it's okay. So, let's go. Here, I'll carry these. Alright, I'm in my upstairs bathroom. This is my upstairs bathroom toilet. Listen to it when you flush it. So anyway, it's the fill valve. It's old. This is an old toilet. My house was built in the early 90s. This is the original toilet upstairs. And the fill valve, you can just see air is getting through somewhere on it when the water is pumping through it. So that's why it's making that noise. It's extremely annoying at night if somebody gets up and goes to the bathroom because it seems like it takes forever to fill up. And it's also, it doesn't close properly and seat properly every time. So it just runs continuously. Sometimes you have to come shake the flapper handle and all that. So it's just extremely annoying. So we're going to replace that fill valve. First thing I'm going to do is turn the water light off. Then we'll flush it.
Then I'm going to disconnect the water line from the toilet here. There'll be some water that spills out, so have you a trash can or bucket ready. Then, it's hard to tell, you have a little nut that holds the fill valve in place. Gotta unscrew that. Once the nut's loose, slide right on out. Simple enough. Then here's the new fill valve. Like I said, it's made by Korky. It's a universal. So this is a little bit shorter, but you turn it and you can adjust it to fit the height of your toilet. So I just want to make sure I adjust this where it's the same height as the old fill valve. Then it comes with a new little locking nut. So I got the new pump in place and I'm going to tighten it down. So depending on your toilet setup and everything, the new hose, more than likely you'll have to trim up. to get it to fit back in without kinking. All right, I turn the water back on. Fill it up. All right, so let's see how she flushes. Sounds pretty normal. One of the honey-do lists is done. All right, the second item on today's agenda on the honey-do list. Garage door. Here's the current situation. For the last week or so, we've been having to manually open and close it. I know that's a first world problem, but it's become a hassle. So anyway, the spring broke that goes over here and hooks to here. So the garage door opener is not working.
You can weed in the rain. You can't mow in the rain.
New spring. All right, this cable that feeds back, that holds the spring to the house over here, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it too, because down here, down here, there's a couple of spots that look kind of right there. I mean, I'm sure it'd be okay, but if I'm going to the trouble of replacing the spring, I don't want this cable to break. Okay, so I just got the hook loose from the wheel, and then the cable that runs through the wheel, got it ran over. Then you just have to put the bolt and nut back on, and that part's secure. I'll need to tighten it up. That will do it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me preface this video by saying I am fairly mechanical. I'm in the HVAC industry. I'm not a plumber, and I'm not a garage door repairman. But, you know, I'm a DIY guy. I'm not going to try to call another company unless I just have no other choice. I don't want another man working on my house. I should be able to do it myself with almost everything. Of course, if it's something dangerous or something very in-depth, I would probably do that. Anyway, honey-do list is done, or as I like to call it, racking up brownie points. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down if you like this kind of video, or dislike this video. This is Chris with The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a great day. All right.
That's huge. Oh, that might break the pole.
No, that's good. All right.
I put that thing in all by myself.
Good job, baby.
I put that thing in all by myself.
All right, bring it out.
Yes, I've been.
Hold up. Come on, good
Pops,
job.
I got